everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my beauty style channel, and today I am so excited because I got little goodies from my favorite company, and it's Lancome. Who know me, you know I love Lancome products. And what's in, look at this beautiful bag. Yeah, it's me right there. I'm just so happy. And what's inside? Inside I have eyeshadow primer. It's gonna make your eyeshadow stay all day long. And I got bunch of different eyeshadows. And I don't know even where to start because it's so many of them, and look at these beautiful colors. But let's do today something very simple, again, simple, natural look, very quick. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette, and it's, I believe it's number 10 Coral, and again it's a basic look. I'm gonna use first eyeshadow primer from Lancome. Again, if you want your eyeshadow stay all day long, you must use eyeshadow primer. And I use in Trish McAvoy brush number 60. I am applying on entire my eyelid first. I'm gonna do this eye first, and then I'm gonna do this one. Okay, today it's all about Lancome. I'm gonna use all Lancome products today. Okay, I apply my eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use this number 10 eyeshadow color. Oh, and it's so beautiful, and it's a brand new package. It's not even touched. Come on. I need to remove this plastic from here. I am back. I just opened my brand new eyeshadow, never touched, and we're gonna use first color. It's a light color. Again, this is very easy application. It's a lighter color, and I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. And I use in Trish McAvoy brush, it's number 23. It's have a little bit like shimmer, but it's not too much. Now I'm gonna use transition color, and I'm gonna use, this is second color. I'm gonna use a big blending brush from Lancome. I'm gonna use this second color, and I am applying on my eyelid bone. And do not put too much, apply very little product and just blend, work with what you have. I like Lancome. This is brand I used to work, and I feel like Lancome, it's a company that have everything what you need to make you beautiful. They have beautiful fragrance, they have amazing mascara, they have amazing lipstick, they have amazing skincare. Okay, again, I use this number 2, and I apply on my bone very softly with big brush. Okay, now we're gonna go with this third color. You can see it looks like more matte color. It's orangey peach, and I'm gonna use smaller brush, small brush from Dolce & Gabbana. And I'm gonna apply like letter C or letter V. Okay, I'm gonna apply close to my eyelashes and I'm gonna go up. Also, these colors are not like too intense, they very soft look on your eyelid. If you want basic and easy, you can just apply 3 colors, just like I'm doing right now. This is palette can be from natural to very dramatic. But I think just only these 3 colors and you look, I think it's already looks beautiful on my eyelid. Again, I'm gonna use this, I use like letter C on my eyelid, and I am blending again with blending brush from Lancome. If you really want a natural look, it's your 3 color. You can just put a little bit eyeliner or brown pencil, mascara, and that's it. But we're gonna work a little bit more because I wanna use all these colors in this palette because this is just such a beautiful palette. Now I'm gonna use this darker color, number 4 on this palette, and I'm using flat brush from Lancome. Again, I'm gonna use close to my eyelashes. And you can see I start very close to my eyelashes, and I kind of like make like a little line. And again, I apply like letter V or like letter C. I zoomed this video for you today because I want you to see much more close than usually I do my video. Okay, now again I'm gonna use this blending brush. And I'm just gonna blend. Now I'm gonna use again this brush, and I'm gonna use this color under my eye, and I'm actually gonna use a small mirror from Lancome. So I actually have eyeshadow Rose Fresca. This is blush I have on me today. Okay, I applying the second color under my eye, and I go with softer color because I don't want you to aggressive start. Then we will blend. Then I will go with this darker color, and I will put on top very little. Now I'm gonna use a big brush again. I'm gonna use big blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend under my eye. Okay, how pretty, right? This is very soft. Now I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm gonna use Fix It by Lancome, and I need a flat brush, and and I like to use synthetic brush. I'm gonna spray a little bit on this brush. This fix it. What it does, it's gonna make eyeshadow a little bit more intense, and I go on a corner, and this color I'm gonna apply right here. You can see how pretty, right? Give me a nice beautiful pop. Why I actually do just only one eye and then another one, for one reason, because I'm not good to put together video. I need desperate help, but I figure out it's easy to do this way. I do one eye and then I will rewind much more quicker second one. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this light color close to above my eyebrows. Gonna lift my eye. So pretty. Now I feel I wanna go a little bit right here. Very pretty. I feel it. I want a little bit more pop. I'm gonna use this orange color, and I'm gonna go above. Again, this is very natural, very easy look. If you want a little bit more intense, a little bit more drama, you can use this darker color, last color, and again you will apply like letter V right here. Feel your bone. I'm gonna use again this big blending brush from Lancome, and I'm gonna just blend this color together. Now to finish this look, I'm gonna do my another eye, and of course I'm gonna use my favorite Lancome conditioner primer. I'm gonna use art liner from Lancome, and it's color brown, and I'm gonna use Hypnose Drama mascara. Okay, I will be back. Okay, I'm doing my second eyes, and I'm finishing with these three products. Okay. And I am back. I just finished my second eye and I feel so amazing. I feel fabulous. I really love this eyeshadow palette from Lancome. It's again number 10. I'm not sure if I pronounce correct or not. Bois Corail. So easy. I hope you like my presentation for this eyeshadow palette. Also, I use, end of my video, I use Lancome conditioner primer, I use Hypnose Drama mascara, I use brown art liner. Also in this video I used eyeshadow primer, and of course this beautiful eyeshadow. Again, I feel so amazing. I think this is so beautiful eyeshadows, colors. It's so like beautifully layering on my eyelid. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, follow me Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, or Facebook. Message me below. Let me know what do you think about this look, and I will see you soon. Love you all. Bye.